Good afternoon, children. Happy to interact with you once again. In yesterday's session, we have learnt about article the. So, just we'll recapitulate what we have learnt. So, if you observe fourth paragraph of this lesson, there were doors all around her, but they were all locked. After trying all the doors, Alice walked sadly down the middle, wondering how she was ever to go out again. Again, repeating the sentence, please. Fourth paragraph. There were doors all around her, but they were all locked. After trying all the doors, Alice walked sadly down the middle, wondering how she was ever to get out again. If you observe in this paragraph, we used article the twice. For the first time in the second line, after trying all the doors. Here, the doors is already mentioned in the before sentence, isn't it? See, there were doors all around, means we are repeating the same door again. So, when we have a repetition of the same thing, we use the in order to specify it. Secondly, you observe that one more article the is used. Alice walked sadly down the middle, wondering how she was ever to get out again. Down the middle. Here we are specifying this place. Here we are specifying a place. So, when we specify something, a place, a noun, we generally use article the. This article the is used in three ways. First one, while we repeat the same in repetitions. Second one, in specifying the object or a thing. Thirdly, in front of noun phrases. I hope you understood by watching the module yesterday. Today in this session, we are going to learn about noun forms. How to change a word into a noun. If you observe the first paragraph, word curiosity. Curiosity. This curiosity is noun form, children. But actually, curious is adjective. We can convert adjective or a verb or a adverb into a noun by adding suffix to the word. In your 5th standard, you have learnt what is prefix and suffix. Suffix, that we add something at the end of the word. For example, curious. In order to make this adjective curious into noun, we have added suffix ty. Curiosity. Few more examples we have, like satisfy. We can change this satisfy into a noun by adding a suffix tion, satisfaction. Develop. Develop is a verb. We can change this develop into noun by adding a suffix ment, meant, development. Hope you understood, children. So, noun forms few adjectives, verbs and adverbs can be converted into nouns by adding suffix to them. Hope you understood. I am attaching a module to it. Watch the module and answer the given worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.